Hello and welcome back. This is Wellhater doing SIT Packet Tracer 6238 for CCNA 2. This is the second part of the troubleshooting for Vlans. Now this one again is going to be a little tricky. I know it took me a while, kind of scratching my head a bit. Now I went through and I checked all the IP addressing for all this thing, so don't worry about it. It's all correct as far as I know. The trouble is down here with these port assignments and VLANs. So what we need to do first is let's go to S2, and you'll see this right here where it says the native VLAN is mismatched. We're getting some error messages here that we need to pay attention to. Native VLAN mismatch discovered on Gigabit Ethernet 1, and it just goes on to tell you the same thing. What's going on is, we'll keep reading here, Gigabit Ethernet 01 is in 56, whereas S1 over here, it's in number 1. So we have to go over here to this guy and not shut it down, but change this VLAN, the native or the default VLAN to 56. And that's basically all we got to do for that error to stop doing that. It's really annoying. So on S1, let's go to interface, or let's do show run. Do show run. And down here, Gigabit Ethernet 01 and 02, so both of the interfaces are trunks. That's great, but they're not been assigned to, they haven't been assigned to any VLANs yet. So let's do this. And it looks like S3 is on VLAN 56. So this is the only switch that hasn't been given the proper information. Interface range, because we're going to do two at once, G01 through 2. Enter. Switch port, trunk, native, VLAN. And we'll just change that to 56. So right away, look at what happened. It says, holy smokes, you guys are so nice to me. The consistency has been restored on number 2. So yeah, that one's done. And it should pop up with another one here in a second saying it's been restored on the other one as well. But we're not going to wait around for that. Alright, so next let's go back to the S2 and figure out some other stuff. Alright, so the pinging is not quite working so well on this network, and let's find out why. Do show run. It looks as if, let's see here. These ones look okay. 56, 56. So 1 through 5 should be in 56. All right. 6 through 10 should be in 30. That's looking like it's okay. 11 through 17 should be in 10. And 18 through 24 should be in 20. So far, so good. Looks like interface G01 is in the proper VLAN, but look here, it's an access port. Ah, can't believe it. Interface G01, switch port, mode trunk. Okay, there we go. So we racked up some more points. We're doing great. Let's fast forward here. Fast forward. All right, so next let's go and check out and see what's going on in S3. Well, just going from the last one, it looks like we've got this one all configured properly. It's a trunk and it's in number 56 VLAN. Let's start up here with F01. F01 is what the heck is that? It's not even in any VLAN. None of these have been assigned. So what we're going to do is do some interface range commands. Interface range F0, 1 through 5, enter. Okay, now let's just say switch ports, axis, VLAN 56, enter. 1, 2. Let's change this to 6 through 10. Change that to 30. Next, we'll do 11 through 17. We're going to put that on VLAN 10. And lastly, 18 through 24. And that'll be VLAN 20. Okay, so we've got 46 points. Where are we going to go from here? Looks like we got all those addressed, or like, sorry, put in the correct VLAN. That one's in the right VLAN. That address is right. All the VLAN interfaces are labeled correctly. They're up. Let's see here. Do show VLAN. So we've got the names are correct. These all are correct. Default is still in 1. That's okay. It doesn't need to be anywhere else. All right, let's go over here to S1 and see what we can find. Do show VLAN brief. What do we see here? We have every single one of these interfaces is on the default VLAN. Is that going to be okay? Yeah, I guess. But it says that these are to have all the VLANs, and none of the VLANs are on this one. So let's just start plugging these things in and see what happens. VLAN 56. Oh, changed up. Sweet. Name. We get any points for that? No, we didn't. Name. We're just going to copy paste these in so we don't have to type. Enter. VLAN 30. Name. Guest default. VLAN 10. Name. Faculty slash or whatever that is. Backslash. Staff. VLAN 20. Name students. Enter. And that should be that. We've got all our 70 points rather. And I think we're done except for filling in all the problems. So you'll find the problems when you try to go through and do your pinging. So you guys will be tasked with going through this packet tracer, pinging the things, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't, documenting what you find, and figuring out all the solutions. Now I gave you all the solutions, now go find the problems. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, whatever you want to do. And tell your friends. Tell the rest of the guys in your class about, hey, there's this cool guy on YouTube named Wellhater, and he does really good packet tracers. If you would like to have me answer some type of question, please put that in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As always, have peace in your life.